Hi there. Thanks for emailing me. Through this video, I'm gonna try to answer some of the questions that you had about the class. One of the things you asked about was using or sending me the required email. So I just want to show you the instructions for that. You may already have seen this. I'm within our courses Blackboard site. At the left, I'm going to click Assignments. In the middle, I'm going to click the Orientation Assignments. And then here, where it says Email the Instructor, that's where I have the instructions. It says, use this link to send the instructor an email message using this format. And I'm trying to keep the words short. So if you ever don't understand something, feel free to email me and ask, and I can provide help. I'm here to help whenever you have questions. Okay, so that's the instructions for sending the required email. You also mentioned that you could not access the My IT Lab website. So here's what I'd like you to do. At the left, I want you to click My IT Lab. And then in the middle, you're going to click My IT Course Content. Now, when you click that, the next window you're going to see, you'll have to click over here will be a button that says Launch. And you'll have to click that, and it will try to launch a new window. Do you see how now My IT Lab is open in a new window for me? And what may be happening is that that new window is getting blocked. I'll send you a different video for allowing that new window to pop up. You want to allow it. You don't want it to be blocked. You want it to allow it. So I'll send you instructions for that. Now, after that window pulls up, then you may be wondering, like, what you have to do is create an account. So go through the process and create that account. You mentioned that you just ordered your book today. The code for using the My IT Lab system will be within your textbook when you get it. So when you get that textbook code, then register for My IT Lab right away and go ahead and get started. I'm sure you've seen that in our due dates. Chapter 1 is due on Monday, so we move pretty quickly in this class, right? For us, it's Wednesday, it's day 2, tomorrow's day 3, so we just need to get going and get started. If you have any questions at any time, you are always welcome to email or call me and let me know how I can be of help. Getting started is the hardest part, and then from there, things get easier.